How to remove AI creator from Facebook profile. Open the Facebook application. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the profile settings. Tap on the option Edit. You'll be able to see various options like intro, category, personal details, etc. Under the section for category, you'll be able to find the option for AI creator. Tap on it. Once you do that, you can see two options, yes, no. In order to remove the AI creator, tap on the option no. Tap on the option save that you can see on the screen. Now your profile has been updated. AI creator has been removed from your Facebook profile. Like this, you can remove AI creator from Facebook profile. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.